Hi, today I'm going to talk about appetizers. Now, this is my go-to appetizer, meaning it's simple, you don't have to make anything, you don't have to bake anything, cook anything. Sure, other times you can do those, but this appetizer plan is not that kind of appetizer. I usually shop at Trader Joe's, and really you can shop anywhere you prefer. I just really like Trader Joe's. They have really cool different things that I don't see in other grocery stores, so I just tend to go there. Just a few tips. Make sure that everything you have is in bite-sized pieces. So cut all of your appetizers into bite-sized pieces. You don't want your guests having to work at it. You want them to be able to enjoy their time, chat with friends, grab a little bit of food here and there, make it easy. Also, you should have different kinds of flavors and textures. So have several different kinds of cheeses, meat, nuts, crackers. You should also have several platters with kind of a different theme. I have one that may be Greek with hummus and grape leaves. I may have another one with meat, cheese, and crackers. Maybe another one with just all fruit. So that's just an idea I'm throwing out there for you. I forgot what I was going to say. Oh yeah. Often I see pictures on Pinterest, and they've got these beautiful platters that are just overflowing with food, and sure, they're gorgeous, but it's not really real life, because as soon as you start eating from those platters, they become a mess. So just a heads up, when you're making your appetizer platters, give it a little bit of space in between the food. Like you'll have a bit of cheese here and then have the nuts a little on the side. Don't dump it on the cheese. So it'll stay gorgeous and won't become a big hot mess and it'll look gross. I guess that is all. So again, this is a simple go-to appetizer idea. It's not super fancy. Just do your own ideas, how you want it to look. It's not expensive, it's delicious, and it's an easy way to have your friends over, your family over, and you won't be working all day in the kitchen cooking. So sometimes we need a break, right? So I just did mine. Now it's time for yours. Let's see what you can do. I'm sure it's going to be gorgeous. Thanks so much for joining. I'll see you next time. Bye.